All right, welcome back again to another video. So the numbers are in for May. I'm not going to waste any time as always and show you guys how much I made and how much I lost for the month of May. All right, so we are in the phone. So far for June, I have done $363. But anyways, let's go ahead and click year to date. So year to date, I have done 42,180 something dollars. Let's go ahead and click May. So May I did 10,100, and I'm gonna round it up to like $10. So let's go ahead and head into Seller Board and look at the numbers even, or go deeper into the numbers. So $10,113.41. I had 511 orders. I sold 578 units. I had 22 refunds. My gross profit was $1,557.59. With software expenses taken out, shipping expenses, supplies, I ended on $1,245.25. Let's go even deeper into the numbers. So that is a 12.31% profit margin with an ROI of 29.3%. So I did this is actually my highest. I finally actually broke 10K for the first time. Doing pretty good so far. I'm still on track. I think I got like six months to break 100K. That's pretty good. That's like 40K now. I just gotta do 10K every single month. I most likely will not do 10K every single month. I know for sure either November or December, I'm really confident that I could break at least like 20K. But for this next upcoming month in June, I'm gonna shoot for like 9K. I can do 10K. I'm pretty sure I can do 10K. My payout's gonna be pretty high. My estimated payout is $5,706. So I have daily payouts on Amazon, so I can request payouts faster to get those numbers. I would say I'm about like 60% confident that I could break 100K this year. For June, I would say I am 70% confident I could do another 10K. But yeah, that's it so far. Doing good. So yeah, thanks for watching the update. That's pretty much it for what I have. I will see you in the next update.